Hey guys, it's Jazz from Jazz Homes and Idal Construction. We're over in Hillsborough for a basement, flood remediation that we're doing. Here is the drywall that you can see was cut 2 feet from the bottom, all over the place. Okay, and the insulation you can see is also cut, so we'll re-insulate it afterwards, and then also reinstall the drywall, spackle, prime spackle paint, and match it. This one had a different type of flooring, vinyl sticky. We're not touching the flooring yet, but we'll end up doing the baseboard all around it. So here, just to show you what the demo looks like. Obviously you need to cut it depending on how far your water damage is, and if there's mold behind it, we'll have to do some mold treatment and cut it to basically wherever you need it. But yeah, that's it. We'll get that wrapped up, show you guys the work in progress and the finished product. Thanks. If you need any mold remediation, any kind of water treatment remediations done in the basement, let us know. Jazz Homes and Idal Construction, www.jazzhomesnj.com. All right, thank you, bye.